Hello guys, welcome to another Zimaleta. Today's video we're going to be removing the fan. The reason we're going to be removing the fan is because we need to take all that stuff apart, including the turbo, intake manifolds, so that we could get to the oil cooler down there and replace its gaskets, then replace the intake manifolds, and then everything else. Obviously, you can see that it's a lot of work. So this fan is actually going to be in our way, so I'm going to actually remove the fan. Okay, so let's see which one of these will work for it. Number 8. So the fan is now removed. In this situation, I'm going to put the bolts right back. Want to make sure that we don't lose the space where these bolts came out of. Little old mechanics trick. You don't need to tighten them up very tight, but that's how you do it. So now that the fan is off, we're good to go. We're gonna continue taking everything else apart, but if you guys were looking for the fan video, here it is. If you want to see other videos like how to remove all this other stuff, basically I'm gonna be recording all of this stuff. We have a lot of work to do, so please subscribe to this channel, hit a like in this video, come back and see more videos like this. This video is going to be located, well, the videos for this particular Sprinter, it's going to be called 2010 Mercedes Sprinter oil cooler seal replacement. All the videos are going to be in order. They're also going to be in playlist season 5, but I'm going to also separate it and put it in a separate playlist. That way you guys could see everything step by step what went on underneath the hood of this engine. So yeah, take a look at that. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.